Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video we are going to solve exercise 2.1 question number 2 basically. This question is about nature of roots, like what kind of roots quadratic equation is having. So let's discuss the different roots we are having. So we will find discriminant. If your discriminant is bigger than 0, you have two scenarios. If it is positive or bigger than 0 and it's a perfect square, so then the roots you are getting are rational and unequal. But if it is d is not a perfect square, then the roots you are getting are irrational and unequal. If your d is 0, that's the value of your root. If the value is coming 0, so then it means that you are getting roots which are real and equal. So the last option is if your discriminant is less than 0, meaning by it's a negative number, then obviously your roots are complex numbers. So these are the 4 types of roots we can have because based on the value of discriminant. So moving on to question number 1 and 2 of exercise 2.1. They are both basically similar questions, but in the second question you have to find the nature of the root and you have to verify also. So I'm going to solve one question from question number 2. So we will find nature of the root as well as we will verify it, that is it really having the nature that we are determining or not. So let's start question number 2, part 1. So first of all, we will use formula of discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. So in first part, your a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 120, and discriminant will be minus 23 square minus 4 into 1 into 120. So just calculate the values and your discriminant is coming 49. So 49 is a perfect square of 7. So it means that your roots are rational and unequal. So now let's verify. So it's a quadratic equation. We can split the middle term in this way, minus 15x minus 8x. Then you can solve it as I have solved. So the values of x are 15 and 8. 15 and 8 both are basically positive integers or whole numbers or natural numbers, you can say. So these roots are basically rational and unequal because there are two values coming out. So if you are having any problem with splitting the middle term method, please watch another video for that. Thank you for